Hi. Included in the Best Robot Vacuums of 2019 by Tom's Guide. All new RoboVac. Re-engineered to be the slimmest RoboVac 2.85, but with quiet operation and increased suction power at 1,300 pascals. BoostIQ Technology. Automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed to get the best clean. A quiet clean. Vacuums for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors with consistent, powerful suction at a volume no louder than an operating microwave. Premium features. Anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for protection, infrared sensor for evading obstacles, and drop sensing tech to avoid falls. Automatically recharges so it's always ready to clean. What you get. RoboVac 11S, remote control, 2 AAA batteries included, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, extra set of high-performance filters, 4 side brushes, 5 cable ties, welcome guide, and our worry-free 12-month warranty. Pure Power Puck RoboVac 11S sucks up dirt and dust with 1,300 pascals of suction for a spotless clean you can see and feel. Non-stop cleaning. Large wheels roll over carpets and climb over door ledges to get to the mess. Zero attention needed. RoboVac uses drop sensing technology to avoid falling down stairs and off of ledges. Always prepared to clean. RoboVac automatically returns to the charging base when power is low, ensuring it's always charged and ready to vacuum. Triple filter system. RoboVac combines a dual-layer filter and one high-performance filter to achieve a clean home. Automatic cleaning. Multiple cleaning modes and a preset vacuuming time ensure an effortless, thorough clean while you do other things or nothing at all. Endurance cleaning. RoboVac cleans up to 100 minutes per charge, so you get to enjoy a completely clean home from a single charge. Large dust box. A large 0.6 L dust box holds more dirt per clean to reduce the frequency of emptying. Link to purchase in the description.